Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upload Roblox clothes. So for that you have to go to the Roblox homepage. So I'm going to search Roblox homepage. Okay, after entering to the Roblox homepage, there is an option named create. Press on the create option. So you will be transferring to another website which is Creators Hub, and there you will find creation just below home creation. So click on the creation. Then as we are going to make clothes for the avatar, so choose avatar item, and here you will see there are lots of options like body type, hair accessories, bodies, dynamic heads, etc, etc. So here is a problem you can see. So the upload option is not showing. Maybe this is a glitch or something else. uh, I don't know how to fix it, but sometimes it's being fixed by restarting my Chrome browser as I'm using Chrome. But another way you can use it, like, it is going to the classic option or choosing the classic option. You can see the upload option is available. So go to the classic option, choose what you wanna upload, then upload the asset. Here you will be uploading the photo which the design you are gonna upload, the name maybe CR7. I'm gonna name the description you are gonna give. So after doing that, just press upload and the file will be uploaded. Thank you for watching this video.